So in this video, I'm going to be going over why building out blog posts or more content on pages is more important than purchasing backlinks for your website. So when you're working with a client's website, the first thing everyone should do is run an audit on the site and fix all the technical issues. We all know that, right? So take a look at on-site, off-site, make sure everything's sound. Great. Now, here's where a lot of SEOs go to a crossroad. You can either go out there and build out links for business, or you can go out there and work on the technical side, or not technical side, sorry. You can work on building out blog posts, service pages, and stuff like that for a website. Me personally, is I like building out the content. Here's why. So when you're getting backlinks, the biggest pro of them is just for rankings, right? So you're going to go in here, you have a few different pages that you identify, you want to get those backlinks to your site, it's going to improve your domain, right? It's going to send over the SEO juice, and you're going to get higher rankings on those articles. Great, that's it, right? One-time purchase or whatever, you go out there, guest posts, anything like that, awesome. And unless that link is on a really high trafficked page, you're not going to get much traffic from it. Sure, you might get the improvement in the ranking, which isn't guaranteed, but yeah, that's about it. Now, on the other side of things, we take the same money that we would invest in those backlinks and we purchase new blog posts or service pages based off of keyword research. You can get 3 or 4 built out each month. And the thing is, you still might rank for them without any backlinks. See, your site's already going to have a certain amount of authority, and if you identify high keywords with low difficulty, let's say like anything under 10 difficulty, and high search volume, couple hundred per month, build out these blog posts, make sure they're really in-depth, go in detail, so everything like that about everything, add images, videos, stuff like that. And you're going to rank for those. I have multiple sites where I rank for articles which I don't have any links built out to them. You don't need links, but they definitely do help. So if you're looking at spending that money, right, you're better off building out the content. And here's also the benefit of it. Let's say you make really high quality content with it. Now you can go out there and start messaging other people in your industry, asking them, hey, take a look at this content. Can you mind sharing it on social media or linking back to it? And guess what? You just got those links for free rather than paying for them. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment down below if you want me to cover anything in the future. Also, check out the description for some of their different services and important links. Anyways, that's it. See you guys in the next one.